Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to create a Netflix account without a credit card, step by step and super easy. First, open your browser. Then enter www.netflix.com. Next, enter your email address and click on Get Started. Go to the next page. Finish setting up your account. Just click on Next. Go to the next page. Create a password to start your membership. Then click on Next. Now just choose your plan. Then click on Next. There are different plans. I chose Mobile 480p. Simply click this one. Then click on Next. Go to the next page. Choose how to pay. There are credit card and debit card options. Just click on Digital Wallet. Set up your payment method. Just enter your mobile number. Check the box that says I agree. Then, start a membership. Boom! Your Netflix account is ready to use without any credit card. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.